Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So, I am coming on with the video. I am planting elephant garlic. I purchased this through Hoss Tools, and in the package, they also supplied some free peas. So, I got a package of that. So, I'm really excited to go ahead and get that started and all that good stuff. Now, I've, of course, never gardened before, so this is my first time. So I've watched a bunch of videos on elephant garden for the South, and I've read some articles on it. And of course, I checked the website from House Tools and watched his videos as well. So the one thing that I know that I do need to do is with fertilizer. So making sure that I get all of that done. But yeah, I am planning this garden bed with my granddaughter, and I am actually just kind of like gonna have her take care of it just so she can get an idea of what all needs to be done. Of course, that's what's in my head, but y'all know how I go. I'll probably be the one taking care of it. But I also, when I put my original, the bigger garden bed down, I just put it in the space that I had. But the more I look at it, the more I want to change it, and then maybe even add another one. But these are my thoughts on some of the things that I want to do. But of course, that will all be in the future. But at the end of this video, this comes with like a plastic cover, and I don't think I need that for the garlic bed. So I put it on just to show you, and I purchased this little cover and the frame from Temu. And so I think that'll be great for maybe a different type of flower bed or garden bed during the fall. But I don't think I need it for the garlic because they really want the coldness for them to grow. So I put it on just to show you how it is, and it zips up and you can open it up, but I will not keep it on this garden bed. So yeah, that's the video, and here's the rest. So enjoy.
For 20 long years, I said, please, can you tell me how did you do it? How did you stay married for all of those years? And she said, young man, don't let her want for nothing. Gotta give that woman that she needs. She said, young man, always be sweet. But there's one more thing. It's kinda deep. You got to cheat. You got to cheat. She said, I hate to tell you, you asked me, how did I stay married for 20 long years? need love, now she's always tired. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? And she said, young man, when you're no longer all she desires, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? She said, you got to cheat. You got to cheat. Said, I hate to tell you, but you asked me, how did I stay married for 20 long years? You got to cheat. That's just how it is. I never will forget that woman for the rest of my life. So I hurried on home so I can tell my wife. After I told her, she just couldn't believe. She said, that's the same thing an old married man just said to me. You got to cheat. You got to cheat. Said, I hate to tell you, but you asked me, how did I stay married 20 long years? You got to cheat. That's just how it is. You got to cheat. You got to cheat. And I hate to tell you, but you asked me, how did I stay married